How to log in Amazon Kindle account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel, Create, Login and Delete. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to log in Amazon Kindle account. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Kindle application on your device. You will then be led to the login portal of Amazon Kindle. So now to log in to Amazon Kindle, go ahead and use your Amazon account to sign in. So enter your email or phone number and your password associated to your Amazon account and tap on the login button, and with this you will be logged in to Amazon Kindle account successfully. Just in case if you have forgotten your password, then tap on the Forgot Password option and recover your password and log in further. So, this is how you can log in to Amazon Kindle account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.